Hey everyone, welcome back to the mailbag. Today's topic is the Action X30 and which core units will fit inside of it. Action X30 Starter Kit comes with a medium mirrorless core unit. The medium mirrorless depth reflects the depth of the Action X30, which means you cannot put a deeper core unit in this bag. So if you want to put more gear in it, your option to do that is to purchase a small DSLR core unit. Now this core unit does come with a couple of dividers in here, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm not going to put any in. So as you can see, just tuck it in the bag and it fits just like this. Now you can see that it has these flaps on the rim, which are approximately 2 to 3 centimeters, and they're designed with cutouts in the corner here so that they can fold over. So if your dividers are in here, you're gonna have room for approximately 3 lenses. It's great for something like a Mavic drone, and it's also good to put a 70-200 with the body mounted, and it's basically the perfect length for that setup. So that should just give you an idea of how much space you have in there. Now I'll just show you one other option you can do here. And you can see here that the flap, it's not quite 100% perfect seamless fit. So I'm just going to take this out and I will show you that if you wish, and I'm not necessarily recommending you do that, I'm just going to show you this option because for this setup it might be a better fit for you. On this one, which is exactly the same, I've just cut off the tab. So basically you can see the indentation mark here. I've cut it at that point on all 4 sides, and then I've taken a lighter to it, seared the edge just to make sure the lamination doesn't peel at all, and then we're left with this. Now the reason this isn't a perfect fit right out of the gate is because the Action X30 was designed after this product, and this was designed for a deeper bag, and it has the fold over rim for people who do not have gear that requires that extra depth. So I will put this here, and whether you can notice it or not, it's definitely a much cleaner fit inside the bag. Again, I understand not everyone wants to spend a decent amount of money on a product and then have to cut it, so don't do it if you're not comfortable with that. But if you happen to have an extra couple core units or just one extra core unit and you are comfortable with it, just note that for the Action X30, it is a better fit without the edge on it. So that's it for this one. We will see you next time on the mailbag. Thank you again. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or email ian@shimodadesigns.com, and we will see you next time. Take care.